I was a child, I dreamed of having dirt bikes, forest, little friends. Guess what? 30 odd years later, I'm living that dream. Sure, it ain't what it looked like when I first pictured it. But I tell you, every day when I woke up, I'd walk outside of my house and I'd be looking for my dirt bags. A whole fleet of them sitting right out there by the house. It sure took some time, but it happened. Oh, yes, it did. And he knows it. Now look at us. Dreaming the dream. Living the dream. It starts out with a little idea, but she grows. That's right. You just got to start small and grow. One day at a time. Let's go, homie. We got places to be.